name is David Harvey and welcome to London and Home County Safes.
Hi, so this is our top loading safe, and as the name suggests, the door is on the top of the safe rather than on the front. A bit like the old-fashioned top loading washing machines, if anyone remembers those. So this safe is 150mm tall, it's 400mm wide, and it's 350mm deep and weighs in at 12 kilograms. Routinely you open the safe using your own unique 6-digit security code, although this one is set on the factory code, which is 1 through 6. It opens the boltwork automatically for you, and the door is assisted, because you're lifting it upwards, by some gas struts. So you just need a little bit of pressure just to activate those 2 gas struts, as you see, and they do the work for you. You've got an internal LED light, which is powered by the 4 AA batteries that live in here, as you can see there. If the battery should fail with the safe closed, there is a means of opening the safe using the 2 emergency keys that come with the safe, and there's a keyhole underneath this small plastic insert which you just prise out, and there's a keyhole, and you can open the safe using that and go in and change those 4 AA batteries really easy. So the safe has this red carpeting to protect your valuables at the bottom. I'm just going to remove that, and having taken the carpet out, we reveal the 4 fixing holes. So with this particular safe, we would install this by screwing it down with the appropriate bolts to the surface below. Our chaps are very experienced in doing the installations. In some cases we can even bond them down with construction grade adhesive if you're not allowed to drill into the floor, or if they're underfloor services like underfloor heating or electrics, things like that, where drilling might be a worry. We can always do that option for you. And finally, to lock the safe, you're going to press the button that says lock. We press that and it will tell you that it is closed, and that's all there is to it. Great little product.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.